Hello, how are you? So, this video, I'm going to discuss the best sellers based on my experience. What are the designs that are best selling to my experience?
Okay.
So first, we will go to the popular one,
Subscribe now.
Amazon.
Wow.
So if you have merch by Amazon account, for me, I don't have Amazon account, but I'm doing this for 3 clients for a very long time. Since 2022, I am regularly doing designs for my clients, and based on their orders, repeated orders, and the one that they're telling the best sellers are this with American flag. So this is the best sellers in their Amazon account. So you can change this with any other niches like animals, animal portraits, sports, any sports related, foods. You can change this. These are all selling in Amazon. So another things that my customers are all clients are always asking me to do are these vintage retro designs. See, these are very common and easy to do, especially this synthwave also. So you have the vintage and the synthwave. This one very easy to do. I have this in my tutorial how to do these designs. If you will review some of my past videos, you will see this. It's very easy, and my clients are always asking me to provide these designs for different niches. Always I always making this repeatedly. Same like the American flag. So for all niches, so they're asking me to provide American flag, any cat breeds, cat dogs, like sports, I will put in here because they're getting sales for this. This one is a white graphics, so you can cross this white graphics. For now, there's lots of AI generated images, but if you can make it white, so those are the best seller in Amazon. Of course, the colored one will sell also, but if we are talking about the best seller based on my clients, they're always asking me to do it white, change it to white and black shirts, because sometimes they will put this one in the navy orange. They will put this white design. It will match all other colors of the shirts. Brown shirts, gray shirts, they can put that one. If you have multiple colors, it will not good in, it will not match in other dark shirts. So for them, this is best selling, the white. So I have one particular client, all designs, he wants graphics only, white designs, all white only, because it will easily stand up. The next one, the same one, this now graphics with funny messages like that, like puns, funny memes. So that's why ChatGPT, I'm always using ChatGPT now to recreate like these designs. A simple graphics only, and this very easy. You can put sometimes the messages in the bottom only or in the top. So those are selling for my clients. So they're asking me to make more of those designs. So weekly I'm providing them. Okay. So next, so this one, RedBubble. I have 3 RedBubble accounts. So I started uploading on this one since 2019. At around 4,000. I have 4,000 uploads. But what I'm going to share is this fan art only, because I uploaded many types of designs already. the vintage, the funny, typography, like that, retro wave. I uploaded many designs, but it's not going. They're not selling. But it's fan art. My fan arts are selling continuously. So like this example. So Assassin's Creed. So this is our the RedBubble fan arts. Fan art. You can do Netflix designs, Star Trek, Shit's Creek. So this one, you can make any of these. So my designs in RedBubble are the one are continuously selling are from this. See like this, huh? So this is what I recommend if you're going to sell a RedBubble. Focus on fan art only. It is so like almost monthly I'm getting this from my fan art. Now TeePublic. Same to RedBubble. I uploaded thousands of designs. But the one I noticed, the best selling designs for me are the white designs, white graphics only. I have many designs with text, funny text, funny quotes like that, or emotional or motivational. It's not selling well, but if I upload graphics only, I think TeePublic is promoting graphics only. I don't know. That's what I notice in my accounts. All of my best selling are white graphics. About the niches in TeePublic, so I'm going to share you. This is based on my store. It's related to Jesus, any UFO, alien. Oh, this cat, dog cat. So wrong spelling. Dog cat breeds. Music, sports. Music, especially guitar. Guitar and drums, I have sales from those. Foods. Tacos for me. My best selling tacos pizza for this one foods. And fruits, some of the fruits I'm getting sales from this is like a strawberry. So you can cross niche this, and you can make a white design. So for me, that this is the one working in my store in TeePublic. White graphics only, no text, and cross niche this. For example, Jesus, guitarist, or cat, any dog breeds like a bulldog, boxer dog, like that. They're eating or they are doing any sports. White graphics. Especially my sales are these two. Most of my sales from white graphics and cross this on this music sports. Or sometimes Jesus holding a cat, black cat, like that. Okay. I hope you learned something here. Bye bye.